Imagine a world without trees, flowers, or the green landscapes that surround us. Hard to picture, right? These vibrant scenes we enjoy are possible thanks to a fascinating process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the foundation of life on Earth, supporting ecosystems, feeding animals, and generating oxygen. So how does it work, and why is it so essential? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and certain bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in sugar molecules. It's nature's way of making food for plants, which in turn become food sources for nearly all other life forms. In simple terms, photosynthesis allows plants to transform sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into oxygen and glucose, a type of sugar. This glucose fuels the plant's growth and development, while the oxygen produced as a byproduct is released into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis happens primarily in the leaves, where specialized cells contain chloroplasts. These chloroplasts house the pigment chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color. But chlorophyll does more than color plants. It plays a crucial role in capturing sunlight. Here's a simplified look at the two main stages of photosynthesis. The light-dependent reactions. These reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes within chloroplasts. When chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, it converts this light energy into chemical energy, stored in molecules called ATP and NADPH. This process also splits water molecules, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The Calvin cycle, or light-independent reactions. In this stage, ATP and NADPH generated in the light-dependent reactions drive the production of glucose. The plant combines carbon dioxide with hydrogen from the water molecules to create glucose, which it uses for energy and growth. Photosynthesis is more than just an energy conversion process. It's essential for life on Earth. Here's why. Oxygen production. Photosynthesis produces the oxygen that nearly all living organisms need to breathe. In fact, more than half of the world's oxygen is produced by oceanic phytoplankton, tiny organisms that also perform photosynthesis. Food chain foundation. Plants are at the base of most food chains. Herbivores eat plants to gain energy. Carnivores eat herbivores, and so on. Without photosynthesis, this energy flow wouldn't exist, and ecosystems as we know them would collapse. Carbon dioxide regulation. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, helping reduce the amount of this greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. This function makes photosynthesis a natural regulator of Earth's climate. In recent years, scientists have recognized photosynthesis as a key player in addressing climate change. Forests and oceans are vital carbon sinks, capturing and storing CO2 from the atmosphere. Efforts are now being made to protect these natural carbon sinks to help mitigate the effects of climate change. Scientists are also exploring ways to enhance photosynthesis in crops to increase yields and reduce greenhouse gases, a field known as synthetic biology. Imagine if we could replicate photosynthesis. Scientists are working on artificial photosynthesis, aiming to create renewable fuels by mimicking the natural process. If successful, this technology could help reduce our dependency on fossil fuels and provide clean, sustainable energy sources for future generations. Photosynthesis may seem like a simple process, but it's truly one of nature's most remarkable feats. It's the process that powers life, supports ecosystems, and sustains our atmosphere. As we better understand photosynthesis, we gain tools to tackle some of humanity's biggest challenges, from food security to climate change. The next time you see a green leaf, remember, it's a tiny powerhouse, doing its part to keep our world alive.